Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing to do from BoxyCharm. So this is a subscription that comes once a month and you just sign up online. I think if you go to boxycharm.com you can find it. I'm not exactly sure how much it is. I went ahead and did like a year, but I think it is like $15 a month maybe. I don't know, you'll have to look that up because I'm not positive. But it always comes in these nice boxes, and I'll give you a little bit of a coupon codes in this one. It looks like this is eye candy, and it tells you what it got, what is in your box, and how much they each are. So I'll look at that after I show you. Ooh, I have some Dr. Brandt stuff, so this is kind of nice. This is Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. So after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So that's kind of neat. I guess this is to get rid of open pores. This is High Definition Liquid Lipstick by Adesse, and I don't know what color it is. Not sure. It is, still don't know what color. I don't know. But let's see what color it is. It doesn't really look like it'd be my color, but ooh, I don't know. It looks a little brown. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure I like that color. I'll probably try it, but I'm not sure that it's going to work for me. We'll see. And this is Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter from Tarte. And it looks like it's in the color Exposed. Liquid highlighter. It's pretty packaging. Ooh, a little bit goes a long way. But that is lovely. I don't know if you guys can see if it's picking up on that highlight, but very nice. Ooh, looks like I got something really cool in here. Here is the Brow Gal. This is Instant Brown Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. Goodness, its packaging is tight. Okay, and it's a little like mascara wand. I just want you guys to kind of see the color, and that's what it does. So I don't know. I'm not huge on doing my brows. I know that's a big thing right now, but I'll try it. It's kind of cool. And some ColourPop shadow palette. So you get 5 things in this, and they're all like the full size. This is huge. I love ColourPop. Like, oh, look at all those different colors. Oh my goodness. I love ColourPop lipstick. I don't know if I've tried their eyeshadow. I'm trying to think as I'm talking, and I'm not sure. But look at how pretty these are. Oh my word. I really like dark ones, and I don't really see a nice like black color that I think that I would use, but I would probably be able to use some of these along with, oh my goodness, look at how pretty they are. It's like the highlighter. Wow, that one is like halogenic. I don't know if you can see how it kind of makes it pink. But these are really pretty. I am loving it. I like all the like shimmery look. So that's really cute. Lots of fun. Let's see how this is doing. It comes off, but it's kind of glossy feeling. Yeah, I'm not sure that that will be my thing, but it's not bad. I'm not sure that this will be my thing either, just because I really like dark. But you know what? It is really pretty, and maybe I'll try as much as I want, and then I'll give it to my daughter or something. But that's where I am, or that's what I got in my box this month. Very cute. Very nice, actually. I love the surprise of it all. Let's see. There you go. So that is what I got, my friends. And I will tell you how much each one of them is. So looking at that, the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Glow like a goddess with a creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto your skin and keeps moisture in and tapered. Squeezable packaging to put the highlighter exactly where you want it. $29. And this is Joelle's fave. I guess these are all different people's fave. The eyeshadow palette, highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adhere easily to the eyes. Gives a soft focus effect and blends smoothly and evenly. This was $26. So, I mean, ColourPop is very reasonable. And that's Valentina's fave. Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. This is Angela's favorite and is $47. This eyebrow pencil, or gel, whatever this is, tinted eyebrow gel. It says, from the Brow Gal, is tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve natural hair look. Perfect for customers who want a quick but natural fill in their brows. This is Barbie's favorite and $22. And the lipstick, Adesse, high definition liquid lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraffin-free, EU compliant. This is Debbie's favorite and comes in at $24. So, I mean, overall you get a really good deal. I think like one of them pays for the box. So I like it. And in this one you also got some coupons, which is kind of nice. Pore Refiner Primer Bundle offer at Sephora for Dr. Brandt, and Tarte gives 10% off. So, very nice. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys give it a try. Bye-bye.